of it is international number system. We see large numbers all around us. For example, populations of countries, right? US population is given over there. Distance between planets, or distance between sun and planets, or distance between stars, and so on. So the US population over there is a 9-digit number, right? Pretty large. We'll see how to read and write it. Also, the distance between Earth and Sun in kilometers circled over there is also pretty large. That's something we'll also learn how to read and write. So why do we need the place value system, right? So the place value system is needed to make it easy to read and write large numbers by grouping them into periods, and these periods start from right side and are separated by commas. So we break the large number into smaller periods. In international place value system, each of the period is 3 digits starting from right side, and that helps us read and write this number. Let's look at an example. This number 987, 654, 321, right? It's a 9-digit number. Without periods, it is very hard to know what exactly this represents, but adding these commas help us how to read as well as write it. Now, just a comparison between Indian and international system. The way these systems differ is basically in how the commas are separated. In both the number systems, the rightmost period is of 3 digits, but in the international number system, the periods after the rightmost, like this one and this one over here, 987 and 654 over here, these will be of 3 digits as well. So every period is of 3 digits in the international system. In the Indian system, the same number written over here in the Indian system will have the rightmost period to be the same, 321, 3 digits, but all the other periods are going to be of 2 digits, right? So we start from the right side and then we move towards left. So the next period is going to be 54, then 76, and then 98. So this number in the Indian system is going to be 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321, as we had seen last time, while the same number in the international system is going to be, we'll see it soon, it's going to be 987,654,321. So these are the place values in the international system. This is the units place, then a tens place, 2 in this case, hundreds place, which is 3 in this case, thousands place, which is 4 in this case, 10,000s place, which is 5, 100,000s place, which is 6, millions place, which is 7, 10 millions place, which is 8, and 100 millions place, which is 9. There is also billions and trillions after millions, but we are not going to look at that. We are going to look at numbers till 100 millions today. The corresponding periods, right? There is ones period which has units, tens, and hundreds place. Then there is thousands period which has thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s place. And then there is millions period which has millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions place. So again, each period is of 3 digits, ones period, thousands period, millions period, starting from the right side. So this number is going to be 987 million 654,321, right? Again, 987 million 654,321. Now, before we go for the place value chart in the international system, please remember to subscribe to the channel, ask questions in the comments. We reply to all the questions, as well as join us live every day 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. The international place value chart has ones place, thousands place, sorry, ones period, thousands period, and millions period, right? With ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000, 100,000 place, millions, tens millions, 100 millions place. So now let's take a few more examples. What is this number? All right, 106, 765, 283. Now for this number, 10 sets will be 106 million. So 106 million. 765 will be the thousands period. So 765,000. And 283 will be ones period. So 283. So the entirety this number will be 106,765,283. So again 106,765,283. Let's take another example. 900 with a bunch of zeros, right? And 6, 700, 0 to 0. What are these numbers? This number will be simply 900 in the millions place and 0 for thousands and 0 for ones, right? So this will simply be 900 million. Once you give the commas directly, it's apparent that like this is 900 in the millions period and then 0 everywhere else, right? So this becomes 900 million. This number will be 6 in the millions place, so 6 million. Then thousands period here is 700, right? 7 in the 100,000s place and 0 0 for 10,000s and thousands. So 6,700,000 and 0 to 0 will be just 20. So this number is going to be 6,700,020. Let's look at how to convert number names to numbers in the international system. 50,037,002. So we need to have 50 in the millions period, 37 in the thousands period, and 2 in the ones period with appropriate zeros padded, right? So this number is going to be 50, 37037. So 50, 037 because 100,000 place is 0, and 2 will be 002 because hundreds place is 0 as well as tens place is 0. So this number is going to be 50, 037, 002. So 50,037,002 will be 50, 037, 002. Another example. 100,020,000 and 37,255,999. Let's look at both of these. Let's start with the first one. 100,020,000. So the millions period will be 100. So there will be 100, then thousands is 20,000. So 100,000 place is going to be 0, and then 10,000s will be 2 and thousands will be 0 again. So 0 to 0, 100,020,000, and ones will be all zeros because it's not mentioned. So this number is going to be 100, 0 to 0, 0 0 0, right? 100,020,000. Let's look at the last number here. 37 million. So 100 millions is going to be 0, and 10 millions will be 3, and millions will be 7. So 37 million. 255,000. So 255. 37, 255, and 999. So hundreds will be 9, tens will be 9, and ones will be 9 as well. So the number is going to be 37 million. So 37, 255,000, 255, 999, 999. So 37, 255, 999. That will be the number. Expanded form, right? So expanded form shows the value of each digit, right? So taking the smaller example, just to make this clearer initially, we have expanded form 1000 of 1234 to be 1 multiplied by 1000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 4. So 1 in thousands place, so it becomes 1 multiplied by 1000, 2 in hundreds place, so 2 multiplied by 100, 3 in tens place, so 3 multiplied by 10, and 4 in ones place, so 4 multiplied by 1. Now let's look at couple more examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 789. This number is 123,456,789. This will simply be 1 multiplied by 100 million, since 1 is in 100 millions place. 2 multiplied by 10 million, because 2 is in 10 millions place. 3 multiplied by 1 million, because 3 is in 1 millions place. 4 multiplied by 100,000, because 4 is in 100 thousands place. 5 multiplied by 10,000, because 5 is in 10 thousands place. 6 multiplied by 1000, because 6 is in thousands place. 7 multiplied by 100, 8 multiplied by 10 plus 9, right? So this number is going to be this addition, 123,456,789. We take each of these numbers and multiply them by the corresponding value of that place, right? So 1 multiplied by 100 million, 2 multiplied by 10 million, and so on till we reach the end. Let's look at the last one. This number is 230 million, right? Because there are zeros everywhere else. So this is 230 million. Now how will you do that? It will simply be just 2 multiplied by 100 million plus 3 multiplied by 10 million, and you don't need to write anything else because it's going to be all zero anyway, because it will be 0 multiplied by 1 million, 0 multiplied by 100,000, and so on, right? So it's all going to be 0. So the expanded form of this number is simply going to be 2 multiplied by 100 million plus 3 multiplied by 10 million. Now let's look at how to convert Indian numbers to international numbers. We simply write the number and change commas. We saw that the only difference between the two number systems is commas, right? Where the commas are placed. So we write the number and change commas, and then we can write that number name again. So here, let's say that the number is 10 crore 2002, right? So first we'll write the number in the Indian system. It will be 10 crore, then lakh will be zeros, so 00. Then the thousands period is going to be 02 because it's 2000, and 002 because there is no hundreds or tens place, right? So this number in the Indian system is going to be 10, 00, 02, 002, right? So this is the number in the Indian system. Now to make it in the international system, we'll just change the commas, right? As we looked at earlier, in the international system, the commas are 3 digits apart, right? In the Indian system, the rightmost is 3 digits while everything else is 2 digits, right? Lakh or crore or thousands even, right? Each of these is 2 digits in each period. In the international, it's going to be 3 digits per each period. So 002 remains the same, right? Then just the 02 will become, we'll add one more 0, basically like this 0 will be over here, because now we want to have a period that is of 3 digits. Because of that, the last period becomes 100, because if you have these 6 digits gone as the last 6 digits of the international system number, the remaining is 100. So the third period in the international system here is going to be 100. So what we did is we just wrote the number again and changed the commas. That's it. Now we'll write this number or the corresponding number name. So what is this number? It's 100 million, because in the millions place there is 100. We'll write 100 million, then we'll write 2000 and 2. So 100 million, 2002 is the number. Let's look at the next one, converting international to Indian number. We just write the number and change commas the same way, right? Here the number given is 700,200,001. Let's write the number 700,200,001. So it was 700 in the millions period, 200 in the thousands period, and 001 in the ones period, because hundreds as well as tens place is empty. It's not given, right? So 700,200,001. Again change the commas, 001 remains the same. These next two numbers become the thousands period in the Indian number system. These next two numbers 02 became the lakh period in the system, Indian system, and this next to 70 become the crore period in the Indian number system. So this number now becomes 70, 02, 00, 001. So it's same as 70 crore 2 lakh 1, right? So the number in the Indian system is 70 crore 2 lakh 1. Now let's get to homework, but before that, like, please join us live every day, Monday through Friday, for maths 5th class at 5 p.m. and subscribe to this channel so that you get notifications. Also add comments, ask any questions, etc. Like, we respond to them pretty diligently. The homework here is writing number names for a few numbers, as well as writing the numbers corresponding to some of the number names given here, writing expanded form, and converting numbers to Indian number system. Feel free to pause this video so that you can write this down and ask us any questions regarding homework or any other questions, right? Maybe in your school or other classes and so on, in the comment section, so that we can help you. Thank you.